Akubeni kuhle kudede bomnyama kuvela ukhanya kusuke zonke ichitho ney'xoxo ney'qalekiso ngithi akubeni kuhle makhehla amadala ngibiza nonke angikhethe ibala ledlozi. Igama lami umoya insizwa kaNkosi uzala ugwayesa insizwa kaSiziba thwase Soweto. Yanibingelela ilanga lanamhlanje ngithi akubeni kuhle. We'll have a workshop on the 3rd of November 2019 at Credo Mutwa Village. We'll be unpacking izinto zokuphahla, on how to phahla, on how to connect with your ancestors, on how to connect with your forefathers. So now, uphahla as it is, it's some sort of ukuhila wena, iyakuhila wena uqobo lwakho. Angithi I told you sure. So now we'll be unpacking the ancient way and then how we're doing today. So now please do come and attend so that you can be educated and we shall connect with each other and interact and talk about the spiritual things that affect us on a daily basis in regards of uphahla. So now Credo Village, the workshop, it's on the 3rd of November, 150 to get a ticket. To book your seat, it's 150. So now please do come and attend so that you can get educated. So don't let it miss you now. Come and join us and we'll be with my kids and my fellow mates and we'll educate you. Thank you very much. And for more information, you'll get to my Facebook page, Kosio Moya, straight, and Instagram, Moyani Nkosi, Moyani_Nkosi. That's where you'll find me, and my contact details are 071 28 31 481. So now, thank you very much. Come join us, get educated. No, come, no something. Thank you very much. Amen.